Running large language models locally, you got two major options, vLLM and llama.cpp. But here's the thing, they're not interchangeable. Choosing the wrong one can cripple your performance. Let's break down which one you actually need. First, a quick note. Neither of these are cloud-based models. They're inference engines that run LLMs on your own hardware. vLLM is designed for high throughput, multi-user serving, while llama.cpp is optimized for single stream efficiency and portability. They're built for completely different purposes. Llama.cpp is known for its portability and efficiency, designed to run optimally on CPUs and GPUs without requiring specialized hardware. It's the champion of CPU inference and squeezing models onto hardware with limited VRAM. But here's the critical distinction. Llama CPP's multi-GPU support is fundamentally different from vLLM's. It's not about parallel processing for speed, it's about offloading layers to fit a model that's too big for a single GPU, perfect for edge devices, laptops, and single-user scenarios. vLLM shines with its emphasis on user-friendliness, rapid inference speeds, and high throughput. It uses tensor parallelism to distribute computations across multiple GPUs, all working simultaneously, and supports batch interference, meaning it processes many requests at once, making it exponentially faster. vLLM's throughput scales significantly with concurrent load, making it a strong choice for high-traffic applications. In real-world tests, 50 asynchronous requests with Llama 3.1 70B across 8 GPUs took just 2 minutes and 29 seconds. On NVIDIA H200 GPUs, vLLM provides near instantaneous time to first token and lower inter-token latency at low concurrency, making it ideal for interactive applications. Meanwhile, Llama CPP throughput remains almost perfectly flat, indicating it processes a steady but fixed amount of work, regardless of incoming load. The only time you should ever use Llama CPP is if you're forced to offload to CPU due to insufficient VRAM. The final verdict, vLLM is unequivocally the superior choice for production deployment in a multi-user environment, delivering significantly higher throughput and maintaining excellent initial responsiveness under heavy concurrent load. Llama CPP remains a fantastic choice for extreme portability and efficiency on a wide range of devices, especially consumer-grade hardware. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.